Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the fourth episode of Libre Academy. Again, my name is PJ Visto. I'm the CEO and founder of Libre Academy. And tonight, napaka-interesting ng ating magiging topic for tonight. First of all, we are going to talk about ano nga ba talaga ang Libre Academy. A lot of people know Libre Academy. I started it as a learning platform. I started it as a platform that provides high-quality education para sa lahat, accessible for everyone, and being free doesn't mean cheap or low quality. And we all know from now, from all of the 7,700 students that I have in Marketing Automation Specialist course is one of the exclusive and very premium courses out there given for free. And we can all attest to that, right? Especially dun sa mga nagtitake ng course ngayon, hindi tinipid yung course. Actually, I'm very vocal when I say na I spend a lot of money developing that course. Kasi if it's like something really generic, if it's something na cheaped out product or a course, I wouldn't even attempt to release it. Because I don't want you guys to suffer na you're going to allocate some of your precious time and wala kayong matututunan. That's not my priority. I want everyone accessing the course to have high quality, accessible education. And thousands of people are already taking advantage of that, and that is never going to change. It's always going to be free. It's always going to be accessible. Now, I was saying earlier, ano nga ba talaga ang Libre Academy? Because you knew Libre Academy as a learning platform only, right? Well, Libre Academy is not just a learning platform. It's more than that. It's a lot more than that. And when I say it's a lot more than that, it has a mission that I'm not sure if it's accurate to say that we're the first one to do it. If there was someone who already did it, then that's good. But what we're trying to do here is something really different. Something that normal people would not expect us to do. So bakit ko sinasabing it's not normal, it's something different, right? Libre Academy is a dual-sided platform. May dalawang platform yung Libre Academy. It's not just a learning platform. The first one is the learning platform, which is yung nakikita nyo ngayon, and it's not even the finished product of the learning platform. It's going to be a different platform. Kung napansin nyo, nung isang araw, I already announced the testing of our official platform, and we are all going to do that sa Monday. Okay? 1,000 people will be testing out the new Libre Academy Learners platform. Mas mabilis, mas comprehensive, mas magandang experience, and it's built by 100% Filipinos, and it's built 100% Filipino first. The priority is the Filipinos. Now, the second platform is focused on clients naman. So we have a client platform wherein it's an integrated platform where international clients can search for certified and job-ready talents. They can schedule an interview right inside the platform. And they can send a job offer and hire you directly from the platform. Walang Zoom, walang Google Meet, walang Microsoft Teams. Everything happens inside the platform, and you can get hired within 7 to 10 days. Within 7 to 10 days. Normally, hiring virtual professionals takes a lot of time. And when I say a lot of time, a long time, it takes weeks. It takes months. It takes forever to just hire that right person. And ang problema pa, once you hire that person, or yung mga clients na kapag hire, hindi pa sigurado na that person will perform. Normally, ang problema nila, they still need to train those virtual professionals. Kailangan pa nilang madaming turnaround and madami pang kailangan preparation. But that is what we're trying to get rid of. We want to remove that friction by certifying and making sure that lahat ng papasok doon sa client platform namin is certified and job ready. Certified and job ready. So ang gagawin na lang ng clients is basically pick the person, and it's even guaranteed na they can get what they want kasi we are only certifying and certifying the people that really can start. Now, this is the best part. Listen to this. This is one of the best part. Palagi kong sinasabi before, in Libre Academy, when you agreed with a client to pay $1,500 for your salary, you receive $1,500 of salary. Walang cut ang Libre Academy, walang markup, hindi namin papatungan yung salary nyo. Alright? And you may be asking, bakit nyo naman gagawin yan kung hindi kayo kikita? Of course, we need to earn. Right? We need to make money kasi at the end of the day, if we want to help more people, we need to make money to help people. Kasi kung walang pera na papasok sa Libre Academy, we cannot maintain the platform. To give you an idea, just to maintain a platform, you spend thousands of pesos. So saan namin pupulutin yon, di ba? Of course, we need to make revenue as well. Right? So saan namin kukunin yon? Hindi namin yan kukunin sa mga Pilipino. We are going to have a fixed rate kung saan ang mga clients ang mag-shoulder nun. And that's even a one-time fee. It's not even a monthly fee. It's just a one-time fee to get direct access to the Filipinos that we certify and that are job ready. Now, we also offer protection to the talents, of course, kasi we have a 60-day guarantee na once you're placed, we're going to make sure na you are going to perform in the next 2 months. Hindi namin kayo basta ipa-place lang doon. We're going to conduct weekly sessions with you, coaching. Okay, kamusta naman yung work mo ngayon? Are you having difficulties? What are your challenges? We are going to guide you every step of the way within the next 2 months pag na-hire ka. Imagine that. How can you get it wrong if you have someone like Libre Academy assisting you to do your job, to coach you, to tell you na, okay, this is my recommendation, you might want to try this out. And this is another thing that I want to emphasize. Aside from all the things that I've just mentioned, feeling ko ito ang talagang importante. In the platform, we are going to set a minimum threshold or minimum threshold and minimum salary na pwedeng i-offer sa talents. Okay? If let's say for example, ang mga marketing automation specialists, ang sasabihin namin is, ang minimum na sweldo niyan is 50,000 per month or 60,000 per month. Then, in the platform, job post cannot be lower than 50 or 60,000. Meron siyang minimum threshold. Alright? Because for the people that we certify, we know that these people can perform. And then, ang gagawin namin, no one can post a job in there without our approval. So meaning, lahat ng ipopost na job sa platform is going to be, makikita nyo yung salary. We are going to view, and it's viewable, kung magkano yung offer ng job na yon, which is walang masyadong gumagawa, to be honest. Bakit natin kailangang itago yung amount that the client will pay for that job? What's the point in hiding it? This is the gray area before, na it's not favorable for the people who are applying kasi hindi man lang nila alam kung magkano yung value ng work na yon. So we are going to get rid of that. Tatanggalin namin yung mga low ballers. They won't even reach the platform kasi hindi sila makakapag-post. And in the end, you are protected. Right? So, ang ganda nito, baka ma-obsolete ang OLJ. Let me be honest with you guys. I don't have anything against any other platforms. OLJ has been there for the longest time. It helped a lot of Filipino. That's a given. Alright? We all know that all platforms have their own shortcomings. And I don't blame them for that. Alright? For us, for Libre Academy, what we're really focusing on is developing our own product. Ayaw naming mangtapak ng ibang platforms. I don't want to say that we are against any platform because that's not what we're focused on. What we're focused on is that gusto namin gawin to ng tama. Gusto namin na magawa namin to ng tama dahil hindi lang kayo yung makikinabang. Like, the whole industry will benefit from it. So, we don't have anything against any platform. It's not part of our goal. Ang goal lang namin is to develop Libre Academy to whatever we want it to be. That's my vision. I don't want it to be hindered by something na, oh, competitor nyo, ganyan. No. At the end of the day, competitors are there for a reason. Competitors are there to make you realize that there's a system that you need to fix, that there's a problem that you need to solve. And that's what I'm focusing on. Right? Bahala sila sa problema ng ibang platform. That's their problem. But for us, focus tayo sa Libre Academy. Okay? Now, balikan ko yung best part nun. So, lahat ng job sa Libre Academy, makikita nyo kung magkano yung rate niya. So, if you think, and again, lahat ng jobs doon, may minimum threshold. Sabihin natin, for executive VA, ang minimum threshold natin ay 60,000 per month. Then, walang job post na bababa ng 65,000 per month. Kasi, we are going to implement and enforce the minimum salary sa platform. Similar to if someone sends you an interview or someone sends you a job offer in the platform, again, we are protecting you. We are not they cannot send a job offer less than the minimum threshold. And alam niyo kung paano namin gagawin yon? By using technology. We have a very reliable development team. And yung development team ng Libre Academy, which are also my co-founders, hindi sila basta-basta. They've developed big infrastructures na kilala sa Pilipinas. And we're just very glad that they're part of our team. And I'm 100% confident na kaya namin gawin yung vision kasi we have developers doing it na talagang alam nila yung ginagawa nila. Seasoned in the industry. And I'm just very proud that we are all Filipinos doing this for the Filipino people. Right? Kaya nga, I'm emphasizing it's 100% Filipino built. It's 100% Filipino first. Alright? So, that is really what Libre Academy is. And ang una naming i-release is yung learners platform natin. And I want you to really pay attention dahil soon, we are going to get rid of the current platform. Kung saan nyo tinitake yung course ngayon, doon sa join.libre academy page, it's not going to be there anymore. It's going to be in the platform that we are currently developing and it's very soon. Abangan nyo sa Monday yung announcement ko kung kailan namin siya i-announce. Wait for the announcement on Monday. I'm going to announce it at 8 p.m. and it's going to give you clarity kung kailan namin i-launch yung learners platform. Okay? But here's one thing that I can assure you. You need, kung kayo ay mabagal mag-take ng course ngayon, that's fine. But there are people that are actually doing this because they really want it, and we want to acknowledge those people. Right? We are going to release the pre-assessment and certification early. Okay? Ilalabas namin yung pre-assessment and certification early next month. And whoever gets certified, ito alam ko madami nagtatanong dito, we are going to open the certification. Whoever passes the certification, we are guaranteeing the top 100 first and top 100 people guaranteed for job placement. I've been talking about it for the longest time. If you want to get certified, go for it. Kasi may dalawang benefit yan. Number one, if you get certified, validated na yung skills mo. Validated yung skills mo, meaning you will have the confidence to find and close any client. Kasi you already have the fundamentals. You are already job ready. Number two, we are going to give a verifiable credential. Meaning, it's a digital certificate na hindi lang certificate. It's verifiable, meaning you can use Libre Academy as a reference. We are going to give you an email, we are going to give you a phone number na pwede nyong ibigay doon sa client nyo to validate that you have been certified by Libre Academy. And we are going to definitely tell that client or company that you're applying with that you passed the certification. Alright? Aside from that, you will have access to the job board pag na-certify kayo. The job board is where clients can post their job offers kung saan there's a minimum threshold and only certified talents can be part of it. Why? Again, certified talents yung papapasukin namin kasi these are people that are already job ready. We are helping people that's really ready for it. Now, if nahuhuli ka naman sa mga modules, that's fine. Maybe you're not ready yet or maybe you're taking your time. You don't have to rush it. We have our own timeline. And eventually, dadating yung timeline mo to do this, to transition to this. And Libre Academy will always be there. That's not going to change. Right? But we want to acknowledge those people that are really putting in the work right now, yung talagang gusto mag-transition. We want to help you. I know. I've seen those people. I see the statistics in the website. Kung sino yung talagang naglalagay ng oras, like as in tutok na tutok. And of course, we don't want to invalidate your efforts. You finish it, you certify, you are definitely going in. Okay? Mahirap yung exercise ng Module T? Well, that's the expectation. Mahirap yung course. It's never going to be easy because if it's easy, then it would be for everybody. Libre Academy courses may be free. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Free ang courses ng Libre Academy. It's going to be accessible for all. Alright? It's going to be accessible for all, but definitely, it's not going to be for everyone. It's not going to be for everyone. Alright? So hindi na po April 25 ang first batch ng certification? Oh, may nakaalala. Nakikinig ka. May nakaalala. Si Louie. Good job. Yes, by that time, open na ang certification natin. Alright? But we're going to make it a bit earlier. Alright? Wala kasi mag-check kung tama yung ginagawa mo sa exercise number 3. Alright. Now, if you think that someone needs to validate your work, of course, you are free to do that, di ba? That's why we have the community. That's why we have the whole community. Alright? And that is also why we are doing the pre-assessment. we are doing the pre-assessment para to check your knowledge kung kaya mo bang gawin yung certification. The lessons are meant to be hard. Kasi that's real-world application. Ganyan mismo yung ginagawa namin on a day-to-day with the clients. And if you are finding it hard, this is why we built the community as a support. Kasi there are a lot of people most definitely encountering that same problem. I always advise na find a group of people to check your work. Right? Now, if you think na ngayon para naman kung if you think na kulang yon, then again, this is why may pre-assessment tayo. Ito din yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Is that exactly you can also get it checked. Just get validation first from maybe an AI model, di ba? That's not a bad approach. You can definitely do that. Ngayon kasi balikan ko kayo doon sa doon sa discussion sa Discord. There are 7,700 people. And if I review every single output that the community has, I don't have that kind of time and resource. I cannot do it. I cannot do it alone. That's why we are building the community. We are encouraging the community na let's go, let's build a study group, let's see, let's exchange ideas, paano ba natin to magagawa. Alright? But then again, may pre-assessment. Alright? May pre-assessment tayo. If you think that you can't do it, take the pre-assessment. Baka naman you're just overthinking it. Diba? Kasi sometimes, ang hindrance natin sa progress is being a perfectionist. And that's true. Ang malaking bagay na pumipigil sa atin mag-progress is perfectionism. Ang daming tao na tumitigil dahil lang tingin nila mali yung ginagawa nila. That's the wrong mindset. Kung sa tingin nyong mali kayo, just keep pushing. Get some help, validate with the community. Alright? And if in case na magkaroon tayo ng session, then I'd be more than happy to like take a look at it para makita ng buong group. We will definitely do that. But not right now kasi we are still building the platform, di ba? And sabi ko nga, eventually we'll get there, but just give us more time. Okay? So, ayun siya. So, basically, that's Libre Academy. Sabi ko nga, it's not just a learning platform. It's not just somewhere that you can learn free courses. It's somewhere that can really give you an opportunity and a career as a virtual professional. I announced already na magkakaroon tayo ng iba pang courses. We're going to have social media marketing. We are going to have content creation for businesses. We are going to have email marketing. We are going to have PPC ads. And guess what? I already got the instructors for that. And I'm going to tell you, watch out for the podcast kasi i-introduce ko yung mga instructor na mga courses na yon. And you are going to be very surprised when you know who those people are. They are the best in the industry. Not really the best, but they're one of the tops. Kasi it's a bold claim kung sabihin kong best sila. There are a lot of best people in the world, di ba? So let's just say they are on top of their game when it comes to the niche that they're developing. And I'm 100% sure you know these people. You know these people just like how you knew Andy Tracy. Right? And you also know that if I get someone, I don't want to have a generic course. It's going to be a course that's going to make you job ready. You will be job ready. And only the best of the best, the top instructors are going to teach you. I hope that you really stick with Libre Academy. We have a lot of things for you. We have a lot of things planned, and we're just getting started. Imagine 3 months ago when I started this, we are barely something na walang nakakakilala. I was just a kidney transplant survivor na tinulungan ng community ngayon. It's just that people trusted me. That's why nandito na tayo ngayon. Kaya I want to emphasize how thankful I am because hindi or wala ang Libre Academy dito kung wala kayo. You are the main reason why we are here and you are the main reason why we're even able to do this. Kasi kung walang nagtiwala sa akin and sa Libre Academy, wala to. Walang mangyayari dito. Right? So, Libre Academy is 50% our efforts and 50% your dedication. Your dedication to become something more. Your dedication na para maging successful. Your dedication to be free of financial burdens when you become a virtual professional. And I keep telling you this. If nagdadalawang isip kayo sa profession na to, stop right now. Kasi you are not even going to finish it. If you are hesitating, that's the first roadblock that you need to get rid of. If you really have a vision na gusto mong you want to unstuck yourself from what you're currently having right now, push yourself. Push yourself. Kasi at the end of the day, wala naman talagang nothing's certain and nothing's going to happen unless you try it. And do not let perfectionism or being a perfectionist stop you from proceeding. If you're stuck, ask for help. Right? Kung wala talaga, then just proceed with the next one. Balikan mo. It doesn't matter. Diba? It doesn't matter if you get stuck as long as you decide to keep moving forward. Pag na-stuck ka sa Module 3 exercise, balikan mo. Punta ka muna sa Module 4. Fresh perspective. Ibang ano naman. Ngayon, and then pag medyo mas malinaw na, then balikan mo. 'Di ba? Balikan mo siya. It's not a one-time thing. It's not going to be a one-time thing. Okay? So, I wanted to emphasize on that. Don't let yourself be stuck. Kailangan progress. Kasi kung hahayaan yung ma-stuck kayo just because you feel that you don't know what to do, eventually, nothing's gonna happen. Kaya, for the people who were here from the very beginning up until now, nandito sila, you guys, I really commend you and I really thank you. For the people that just came, yung mga bago, keep pushing it. Malapit na yung natin, malapit na yung finish line. I already released Module 6. Next week, i-release ko yung Module 7 and then 8. 2 weeks from now, by the end of March, nakalabas na lahat ng courses. By April, we are already going to do certification. And just a few more months, we are going to be placing people already. Alright? But I highly recommend pa din, if you don't think, just take the certification. Sabi ko nga, what is 1,499? Pag-ipunan mo siya ngayon. Because, if may pasama naman yung pre-assessment, go for certification. Madami siyang benefits. All of the benefits outweighs how much you're going to pay. And this is by far very affordable. Yung iba, I'm not talking about others, you have to pay more than 1,499 just to get certified. Ito, 1,499 lang. An expert validates you as job ready. What's going to be more than that? And then we also give you access to a job board. And if you're part of the top 100, then we're also going to guarantee your placement. Okay? The pre-assessment, you can take it unlimited. Pero the certification, it's only up to 3 tries. 3. Fail it 3 times and then it's gone. You'll have to apply again. Ngayon, of course, hindi namin paaabutin ng 3 tries yan. By the first time you submit all of the certification requirements, we're going to review it. We're going to give you a detailed instruction on how to improve it. We're going to give you guidelines and we're going to coach you. Dun pa lang, winner ka na, 1499. And then, you keep repeating it. Right? Pero sabi ko nga, you need to go through pre-assessment first. Kung hindi mo man lang maipasa yung pre-assessment, don't even attempt the certification. It's just that. Free lang yung pre-assessment. Everyone can take it. Everyone can take the pre-assessment, free on. So why take the certification if hindi mo maipasa yung pre-assessment na free, di ba? This is why we added the pre-assessment kasi ayaw namin na masayang yung pera nyo. Hindi naman pwedeng pag-certification namin kayo tapos babagsak lang kayo, di ba? Of course, ayaw namin yun kasi we all have a different learning curves. We understand kung hindi ka pa ready ngayon, that's fine. Go back and then study again and then go back. Do the pre-assessment. Pag naipasa mo yung pre-assessment, then take the certification. Yeah? So, pre-assessment, we're releasing it as early April. Okay? Early April, we're going to start the pre-assessment. Kaya doon, sa mga nagtitake ngayon ng course ng Marketing Automation Specialist, hindi ko naman sinasabing madaliin nyo. But if you are really hungry na mag-transition, do it right now. This is the best time to do it. Yes, madami tayong dahilan na we don't have time, there are a lot of obligations. But at the end of the day, if you really want this, you'll make time for it. You are going to make it happen. Mapapansin mo yung mga dahilan mo, unti-unting mawawala yan. I know some of us are really busy. I understand that. I work a full-time job. I work a full-time job from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then I work with my Libre Academy from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the morning. And then I wake up 5:30 a.m. I do 6,000 step na walk. I start working again. By 8 o'clock, I prepare for my full-time job. By 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., I'm a full-time marketing director. I handle a lot of people. More than 60 people. And that's just one side of the business. But you can have valid reasons. Pero this is now a matter of, are you really hungry to do this? Because if you are, you'll have time for it. You will have the dedication for it. Pero if time really doesn't allow, ask yourself. I know, alam ko, I cannot talk. I cannot justify this for everyone. I know we have our own battles to fight. Right? Madami tayong mga battles na linalabanan, tayo lang yung nakakaalam. And it's fine. If you prioritize to fight that battle, that's fine. That's you. That's your priority. Okay? Kasi iba't iba naman tayo ng priority eh. Now, sabi ko nga, there will be a lot of changes because the new platform, of course, that's a totally new platform, right? Of course, may testing pa tayo this Monday. And based on the feedback ng mga nakapag-test na, it's very fluid. It's straightforward and it reflects what Libre Academy really is. Okay? So, I think that's it for our podcast for tonight. Of course, stay behind because I'm going to start I'm going to answer some questions up until later on. Pero this is the end of the Libre Academy podcast this Friday. So I want to invite you again. Every Friday night, 8 p.m., meron tayong live podcast where we talk about what Libre Academy is, what's our goal, how are you going to achieve success with Libre Academy, and also, stay tuned kasi we are going to slowly introduce to you the instructors for our new courses. And I'm telling you, This is one of the biggest collaborations that's going to happen for this year. We are onboarding a lot of people to train you. We are getting a lot of people, credible people, to teach you and certify you. Okay? Thank you, everyone. I'll see you again on Friday, 8 p.m.